So again, we're looking for a perpendicular bisector. I forgot a parenthesis there. In the form y equals. All right, so I'll have to play around with it at the end again. Perpendicular slope necessary, midpoint necessary. 27 minus 18 over 10 minus -2. That's 9 over 12. Yeah, both positive, which if you do in the calculator will give you that, 3 over 4. So to make it perpendicular, flip it, put a negative in front of it. Midpoint, 10 plus -2 over 2, 18 plus 27 over 2. That is going to give me 4. $22.5. Yeah, 422.5 for my midpoint. So 422.5. So there's my slope and my point that I'm looking for in every one of these questions. So it's y minus y1 equals the gradient times x minus x1. It wants it in y equals format, so I got to play around this a little bit here. So it's going to be y minus 22.5 equals -4/3. Do that in the calculator. It should give you plus 16/3. And then get y all by itself. So plus 22.5. Let's see here. So 45, 280. I think it's 312 over 6, which isn't going to, 312 over 6, which is going to be 312. 256 over 3, I think is what that's going to come out to. But let's see. So 16/3 plus 22.5. All right. Whoops, that didn't work. 16/3 plus 22.5 is 27.83 repeating, all right, which is not what I want to do. So I'm going to hit the math button, I'm going to hit the fraction button, and I'm going to hit enter, and it's 167 over 6. So I didn't add that right in my head at all. 167 over 6. Yeah, that's definitely not the way to write that. How about -4/3 x plus 167 over 6. So that one was much more challenging just because the numbers were harder. So just take your time, much better than I did.